What's going on, everybody?
I'm Skylar.
And I'm Mark.
And we're doing our vlogect on fake physics in movies, and we're doing
The Flash. So we are gonna be opening this vlog show with Skylar and her explanations. So let's get it.
That was nasty. Okay, so it's not a movie, but it's a TV show, and basically Barry Allen is a superhuman speedster, and it's totally not physics, and it doesn't make any sense, but he gets struck by lightning and he gets superhuman like speed powers, and when he runs he creates a streak behind him, but it's electricity, it's not fire, so it technically doesn't make sense, and this is why. So let's take into consideration meteors. When meteors come out of the sky, they when they come out of the sky, they generate fire behind them, and we can see this because it's fire, and it's not just heat; it creates something behind it, and this is because of the friction of our atmosphere and its like substance burning up and like coming in, and it's due to high speeds as well. But Barry Allen has high speeds as well, but he generates electricity, which technically doesn't make sense, and it's only because of his superhuman electricity, whatever. And instead,
Speed Force.
Speed Force, whatever. And so instead of electricity, instead of a red like lightning bolt, we believe it should be heat, and either it should be fire or it should be infrared radiation, because it doesn't make sense to have electricity come behind him when he's not like a source of electricity. He might be in like superhuman comics, but not in the real world. And the only way we should be able to see it is with thermograms used to see the infrared radiation, or the heat, like I said, the fire behind him. And that's it.
Skylar's part, so I'll take over now. And this is gonna be my part of the vlog. And you feel?
No, Barry can't run her. It's not safe for Cecile or the baby.
Then what are we gonna do?
So here's the thing about the Flash. Technically, it's not true because of the fact it has a lot of fake physics. He uses a lot of super speed, and his speed force, as they call it, isn't an actual thing. And on top of that, when he tries to help the people in Central City and help out people by carrying them, technically it isn't factual. Just because of the fact when he uses super speed, he requires a heightened acceleration that when you have a mass applied to it, or a mass applied to a person on top of your mass.
Vlogger Skylar here.
You're good.
And we're back to talk about the Flash. So, he's a superhuman that uses super speed to rescue people. Okay, so super speed requires heightened acceleration, and heightened acceleration comes with heightened force. But there's only so much force that someone can exert on themselves, or that force can be exerted on them. This takes us to Newton's third law that basically states for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So while Barry Allen is carrying...
There's about 200 people on that bridge right now.
carrying the people and running with them, the force exerted on them with the air is the action, but the reaction is their body trying to push back on the air. But because they're not strong enough to push back on the air, they should technically be dying in it. That's really like bad, but
these nuts.
So because their force can't push back on the air, they should technically be dying, because our bodies aren't completely solid. So our brains, our organs, everything, they have liquid in them. So when they they're gonna get compacted and smushed and then
jumbled around,
etc., jumbled around. So yeah, that is why The Flash isn't necessarily correct.
And as always, don't forget to like,
Share,
comment,
subscribe.
and if so, you will be entered to win 10 points extra credit and an A+ in Miss Sun's class. So don't forget. So these are gonna be the bloopers. Yeah.
Alright. Is it on? Do I look like a mess? You need to check it.
Back at it again with the Flash.
Back at it again with the white shoes. Vans.
The white with the white bands.
White Vans. Alright. Oh, so I see this No, sir. Yeah, you keep saying because of the fact. Because of the fact. Alright, give me the paper.
And if so, you will be entered to win 10 points. That was dumb.
The record button. Hit the record.